Excel ribbon and their commands. Group and subtotal. A worksheet with a lot of content can sometimes feel difficult to read and manage. For this, Excel can organize data in groups, allowing it to easily show and hide different sections of your worksheet. We can also summarize different groups using the subtotal command and create an outline for your worksheet. Let us see this data and their grouping and subtotaling. These data are grouped. We can say again subtotal. We can say subtotal. Each region and the product details and the product subtotal region, the product subtotal, and in the last we can see the grand total. And I will show you from this data how to set the subtotal. First of all, sort the region, sort by region. Okay, next one, click on subtotal. At each changes in, I'm setting region. Use function sum. Add subtotal to total. Replace current subtotal. I'm ticking this option. Summary below data. Okay. Region by subtotal is come. Then we want to subtotal in product wise in each region. Position cursor in product column, then click on subtotal, product name, function same, then total, replace current subtotal, clear this tick mark and OK. Okay, we can see the product total on each region by subtotal, and in each region the product subtotal, and at last we can see the grand total. In left we can see the options, example 3, product total, and the region total we can see, and option 2, region total we can see is summarized, and click on 1, only grand total we can see. I am clicking on the last option. All data are shown including the product name. To clear the subtotal, click on subtotal, remove all. The actual data is come, subtotal is removed. A summarized report of the same data is shown here. Here the product total and the region total is given. From this data we can group the data on the basis of the product and the region. Click on group, click on auto outline. We can see it is summarized. The left we can see the grouping option. I am clicking on 3, then second 2, then 1. To remove this grouping, click on ungroup, clear outline. Okay, outlines are removed.